Hello everyone, and welcome to our continual training of our compensation plan with future choice. What we're going to specifically talk about right now is understanding the coded plan. When you understand the coded plan, you will actually understand the type of income that you can earn with this type of compensation. Now, there's two rules that you need to understand about the coded plan, and these are very important rules that you must understand. The first rule about a coded plan is you can never have two positions in the same code. You can never have two regionals in your regional code. It can never happen in a coded plan, and as we go into the example, I'll explain why. The next rule you need to understand about a coded plan is there's only one person that can receive the code. Only one person that can actually receive the code. Now, let's go ahead and get into the training. Let's first talk about the agent position. This is the first position everyone comes in when they join Future Choice. Future Choice has what is called a standard unilevel. They will pay $2 down 5 levels. That's on every single position. The regional, senior, and the executive position will always pay $2. And as an agent, when you refer and your 2 free customers, that makes you qualified, and it makes every agent that does that qualified, you will earn that $2 residual. When you promote to that of a regional by doing the 526, again, you're starting a new organization. Your agent organization is still growing, so it's just like starting a brand new store, your regional store. But as a regional, you bring in new agents in that store, and when they are qualified, you're going to earn that $2 down 5 levels. But because you are a regional, you are going to receive the $7. All of the people that are coming into your regional code are not regionals. They're actually agents. It's like taking this code here and putting it in here. And you're the only person as the regional receiving the $7 code. Remember that rule? Only one person can receive the code. If you are the regional, that means that every single person down in your organization is an agent. So they're receiving the $2, but you're going to receive the $7. The same thing will happen when you promote to a senior. The standard unilevel of the 5 levels of $2 through 5 levels, you will actually earn. Now go back to the regional. One thing that you can receive as a regional that you cannot receive as an agent is the infinity pay. When you get past your 5 levels, remember the unilevel only pays $2. That's why it's $9,999, because you're adding the $2 plus the $7. But it does not pay the $2 from the 6th level to infinity. It only pays the code. And if you remember the rule, only one person, you, if you are the regional, is receiving that $7 to infinity. No agent can earn past his 5th level. Now, let's talk about a senior. Same thing. $2 unilevel through 5 levels, but check what happens as a senior. This is how you earn the $14. It's the $2 plus the regional code, because if you are the senior and you brought in a new person in your senior code, it's just like opening up your 3rd store. You're still earning income in your regional, you're still earning income in your agent. Now you start in a brand new store as a senior, you bring in some new agents in your senior code, they're agents, and you are the senior and the regional. So you're going to receive the $7 code as a regional and the $5 code as a senior for a total of 12 plus the $2 through 5 levels in the unilevel. That's how you get the total of 14. And past your 5th level, because the unilevel only pays 5 levels down, as a senior you will receive the $12 to infinity. Now here's another note about that rule. Remember you said 2 people cannot hold the same position. You could never have 2 seniors in your senior code, but you can have regionals in your senior code. Now this is training. Now I know you may have to stop this and play it back again so you can understand it. Here's an example of what I'm talking about. Let's say you are the senior and you had someone to promote to regional within your senior organization. When they start building their regional organization, they will earn the $7 code and the $2. You will earn the difference, which is the $5 code and the $2 through 5 levels. So instead of it being 14 off of that regional, it will actually only be 7. Again, you might have to stop that and play that again. But remember, if you understand the rules, you understand the code. You can never have 2 seniors in your senior code, but you can have a regional in your senior code. The same thing will take place as an executive. The 5 levels, standard $2. When you bring some new people in your executive code, they are all fully coded to you, which means that you are their regional, you are their senior, and you are the executive, which means that you will earn the full $15 in code plus the $2 through the 5 levels as the unilevel. That's how you get the $17 total. And then past your 5th level, you will only receive the code if those agents are fully coded to you. Again, another example, you can never have 2 executives in the same code, but you can have seniors inside your executive code. If that was to take place, a new executive coming into your, a new senior, coming into your executive code, as they start their new senior position, they will earn the $7 and the $5. You will earn the difference. So if they are earning the 7 and the 5, you will earn the 3. Guys, by that time, you're earning so much money that it doesn't really even matter. You want to promote as many seniors as you possibly can in your executive code, because all of the agents that they leave behind to get to those positions are all in your executive code, if that was the case. They will all be in your senior code, if that was the case, and they will all be in your regional code. So hopefully this was a way to help you kind of understand the code. Remember, there's only one person that's receiving the code, and you can never have 2 people in the same code. So guys, hopefully this was helpful to you to understand how to maximize this compensation plan. Take care.